Alrighty, so what we want to do here is we want to figure out what function rule best represents the best line of fit for the data in the plot. So we've got this plot of data here, and we want to figure out, well, what would a good equation for a line of best fit would be here. So what we need to focus on are the points provided to us. So this guy here, negative 1214, and this guy here, 0, 8. When they've told us these 2 points in particular, a good place to start is to use those to maybe draw the line and figure out the equation of the line for the line of best fit. Now remember, if you want the equation of a line, you need two things. So first of all, you need to remember, okay, the form of it is going to be slope-intercept form. So y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, b is the y-intercept. So when you're looking at this, the y-intercept is where you cross the y-axis, and that's right here at the point 0, 8. So that means our b must be 8. So let's go ahead and put that in there. So I'll have y equals mx plus 8. Now we need the slope. To find the slope, we can say the change in y over the change in x from 2 points. So maybe this point here, negative 1214, and this point 0, 8. So, the formula looks a little bit like y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, it doesn't matter which one is your first and which one is your second point. Typically, we go from left to right and we make this one our first point, this one our second. So, in the first point here, this is going to be my x coordinates, so that's x1, that's y1. Over here, we have our x2 and our y2. So now, let's go ahead and plug that in. So instead of y2, I'm going to write 8. And instead of y1, I'm going to put 14. And then in the denominator, instead of x2, I'll put 0. And then instead of x1, I'll put negative 12. Notice that I'm putting it in parentheses because there's 2 negatives, so we got to be careful. And then we continue on. So 8 minus 14 is negative 6. 0 minus negative 12 is positive 12, and this is good, but we can always reduce it to be negative 1/2. So now that's our slope, and so we can put that into our equation, and our equation is going to look like negative 1/2 x plus 8.